Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use Revit architecture Boolean command. Basically, Boolean command used from related to curtain grid. First of all, make the glass curtain grid wall. Then glass curtain wall has been created. Then after use for Boolean command. They are not used directly in Boolean command. Basically, first of all, make the glass wall in the background, then after use Boolean command. So let's start. First of all, make this curtain wall. Here you can see that this one has been selected, the wall here. Now look at this many different types of wall. This wall, there are the many types of wall available. This is the basic wall. This is general used basic wall, generally used from house design and whatever. Then below has become from downside, used from curtain wall. This is the different curtain wall, exterior glazing wall and store front. Here you can see that exterior bricks wall. So many different types of wall available. Right now I can choose from curtain wall. Click the curtain wall and let's start top view here. When I get click top view, it make the particular wall. Here the one direction also. Then again I will use from second direction. Here you can see that second direction. If I want get another direction, so it has been complete the curtain wall. Okay, then I will move from 3D views. So let's, here you can see that views right now. When get enter 3D views, look at this, enter the 3D views, otherwise go to exit, and here you can see that make the views right now. And if I get change the direction from wall, so it is increase the size and level, whatever it's mean. When I get again top view, and if I want get delete this particular wall, right, then after again I will show you and use the curtain wall, and like inclined wall has been created. This is okay. Then cancel. Again I will show you 3D view. Look at this, and I want get, this is the 8000, but I want reduce the wall height is 6000. So when put down the 6000, this is reduce. Then I will go to use the grid here. So when I get use continuous use from grid here, and particular height and length. Again I will show you the point, and this point also I have used, and also I have used same thing is like that. So again when I go to use from particular length and height, same I will show you in here. Apply the grid, and same click this particular grid, and click the right and cancel. Again click the right and cancel, exit on the command. and I want get adjustment this particular height length, I will get the 1500. Now again this is used from 1500 is when I get the adjustment in particular distance I want get provide in this curtain size, so it is easy from change the height when I get 1800. So I will provide right now. Here you can see that we get provide 1800, so I get here. So this is the very easy use from curtain grid. Then also I will talk about Boolean command. Basically here you can see that Boolean command. Boolean command generally use from create the member like that. It is a solid member. Only for click the line curtain grid. Then also continuously from make the grill also, like member still member has joined from every grid line. So let's use from Boolean here. This is the Boolean command. When get Boolean command and let's click this only for the click line here. This one is also used if you want change the size and radius. Here you can see that circular rod here, L corner, square form, rectangle form. So do whatever it's need for depend and get click continuously, right? So I have used from this one and get click from every line and make the rectangle here. Every line has gone through use from rectangle. And other one I get use from rod here. This is circular rod. Then I use from rod like that. Here you can see that I have get the use from Boolean command in Revit architecture. So now I get zoom out. This is the rectangle here. You can see that this is rectangle, but this one is rod like circular rod. So it's make for a particular boundary line and make for home. So they are very useful and easily. Look at this one has been rectangle and this one has been circle. From this joint here you can see that every joint has been complete. So this is the use from Boolean command in Revit architecture. It is very useful for making the wall design from glass type, and this is supporting for like connectivity member, whatever need angle, rectangle, square, circular pipe, so that you can be used from this use. So today has completed the session. Do like and subscribe our channel, and thank you.